Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how I manage this messy frizzy hair and make them look super silky, shiny and straight by using only a flat iron. So if you want to know how I get that sleeky look, please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So the first step to getting the sleeky look is obviously make sure you have washed your hair and they are dry. You can either blow dry them or you could also air dry them like how I do. I always air dry. I try not to use many heat products on my hair. Second step, which is super important, is brushing your hair. So you want to make sure you have detangled your hair properly. This is one tip that I have learned over the years. Most of us do it this way, which is wrong because you are putting more pressure on your hair when you go this way. So it's best if you are going this way vertically. So I section my hair in two parts just like that, and then I take the brush and go vertically over it just like that. And you want to make sure you go from bottom to top and not from top to bottom, because this way you break less hair. My hair is fully detangled. I move on to the third step, which is this oil right here. It's called a candy oil and it is basically a very good frizz control oil. It helps tame all the frizz and it also gives your hair a very beautiful silky finish. If you have thin hair, I really suggest you don't use this. This is more suitable for thick frizzy hair. So I just take like 2 drops, mix it in the palms of my hand and just use it at the ends of my hair. Next, I will be sectioning my hair, because the lesser parts you take, the better your hair is gonna look once you straighten them. I go somewhere like this and then I section my hair. This is the section I am doing. I don't know if you can see it. I just take a hair clip and I clip my hair on top. So I look funny, but this is what it looks like. So while my hair straightener is heating up, I am going to use this heat protectant spray on my hair just to protect my hair a little bit from the heat. So it's just gonna be like, so this is the amount of hair I take to straighten, and then I take my hair straightener, hold it that way, and I go down, and then I bring my comb just for a support, and then I go over it again. So you want to make sure you go over your hair slowly. Now I'm going to show you this side. So this is the section I'm taking. So I'm going super slowly over the hair just so every strand gets straightened, and I also make sure I go over it multiple times just to get the desired result. And then I take the comb. So the comb actually acts as a support for my hair. So while I'm straightening the hair, the comb goes along with that, and the gliding sensation gives me the look and the whole thing, kind of like support. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, but I just hope you guys get what I'm trying to do. Just watch me so you guys can understand. So the most challenging part of straightening your hair is the back side of the head, because you don't know if you're getting there properly. So if you're a beginner, you could either ask someone to help you, or you could use a mirror, or you can just do it like how I do, which is just trying your best and leaving it just the way it is. I'm done with this section right here, I move on to the next section, and I'm gonna repeat the same process once again. done with this section right here as well, but I want to tell you guys something. There are these little annoying kind of hair which are like super small, so I just sectioned my hair from here. So this is the annoying part of the hair, which is like so annoying. It gets frizzy super fast, but we're gonna take care of that. So I took it and then I bring it as close to my face as possible, hold it for like a few seconds, and then glide it downwards. Same way I'm gonna repeat it over here. You can see how annoying this hair right here is. So what I'm gonna do is take it out, section it, and then hold the straightener as close to the root as possible and then slide it downwards slowly. And once again, repeat if over the hair. And then we want to use the heat protectant spray once again. So we take this section right here once again, take it as close to the root as possible, hold it down for a few seconds, and then slide it down slowly. So this is the section, and then I'm going to take the hair straightener and slide it downwards, keeping it as close to the root as possible, and then going all the way down slowly. So once I think my hair is fully straight, I go over all the hair just to give it a little final touch, just like this. Alright you guys, so now that my hair is straight AF, I'm just gonna style it the way I usually do, which is kind of like a side parting. Let me just show it to you guys. And this is the final look right here. So let me just show you how straight the hair looks and how shiny it looks. And that's only because of this product right here. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I love you all so much. See you next time.